What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Angel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out this Tress Wellness complete waxing kit at home. So just in case you guys did not know, this is my very first time waxing myself here at home. I am super excited and I love that everything is included within the kit. It is also super affordable and easy to use. Before we move on to waxing, here is a quick overview of everything that is included in the wax kit. The first item is a quick beginner guide that has instructions and everything you will need to know about this complete waxing kit. Next up, we have the pre-wax spray, which is to be used before you begin to wax. The after wax spray is to be used once your wax has been completed. I love that this kit includes 5 different hard wax beanbag scents to match your mood. So the first scent that I have is lemon, which is energizing. They also have tea tree, which is used for calming, and I think this is the one that I'm going to be using in today's video. The lavender scent is used for relaxing, and if you know me, then you know that I love lavender. The peppermint is used for stimulating, and the eucalyptus is made for refreshing. Tress Wellness is also kind enough to include gloves, although I did not use them. The paper rings are perfect to test out your wax, and they also help to keep the warmer clean. You also get 20 large spatulas and 10 small spatulas. Lastly, the kit includes their social media handles as well as some coupons for extra wax. This is what the actual Tress Wellness wax warmer looks like. I love the purple. The digital display and the adjustable steady temperature makes this wax warmer super easy to use. So now I'm just setting the warmer to the highest setting to get the wax warmed up. It also has temperature control and automatic shutoff. And like I said, the scent that I'll be using today is tea tree, and I'm also going to be focusing underneath the arm, so I'm only using a little bit. And if you're always in a rush like myself, you may want to go ahead and add the lid on top. It's going to help the wax heat up a lot faster. This is what the beans will look like as the wax starts to heat up. So now I'm just pretty much stirring the wax. Once the wax is ready, it will come to like a honey kind of consistency. When doing hard wax at home or just in general, you want to make sure you always do a test strip to make sure that you don't have an allergic reaction and you're not sensitive to the wax. Before I move on to patch test my legs, I'm just going to go ahead and spray them with the pre-wax spray. You want to make sure the wax is not too hot, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to the area I want to patch test. And by the way, you guys, this wax kit is specially formulated for coarse and fine hair. It could be used on the armpits, the legs, the upper lip and brows, bikini area, and arms. So now that my patch test is done and I did not experience any allergic reactions or any sensitivities, we're going to go ahead and move on to waxing the armpits. It is important to apply the wax in the direction of your hair growth, and when removing it, hold the skin taut and remove it in the opposite direction of growth. And as you can see, sis, look at all that hair that came out. Disgusting, right? So I'm going to go ahead and follow up with the after wax spray and take this towel and gently wipe underneath the underarms. So now my underarms are super smooth and free of hair, just like I like them. So I'm just going to go ahead and complete the same steps on the other armpit. I love that the Tress Wellness Wax Warmer Kit is super convenient, easy, and perfect for sensitive skin. If you know me, then you know I am all about saving money, sis. So if you're interested in trying out this wax kit, be sure to check my description bar below. And I also have a direct link to the website as well as a coupon code. Thank you guys so much for watching me wax myself at home for the very first time. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.